ready to duel.
I feel like touching you right now.
Always in a rage.
Leave the damn shoes alone.
Should be kept in a cage.
I feel like smacking the crap out of your mom right now.
Out of control. Bridezilla.
Yeah, you're trying to rear-end me. I don't give a... No, I told her black shoes. Put your ass up. I'm about to snap. If somebody tried to ruin my big day, I wouldn't say anything. I would go right up to them and snap their hand and probably beat their ass and end up in jail with a wedding dress on because I really don't give a damn and I will go there. I don't back down for nobody and I don't bite my tongue for nobody.
With Kari's dingy dress still not clean, our Bridezilla addresses the issue with her customary grace and charm.
I feel like smacking the crap out of your mom right now.
All stressed out with no one to knock out, Kari gets a sudden brainwave and calls Heidi with her new plan of attack.
Yeah, Heidi.
Yeah.
Basically, if you agree to let me beat your ass, then you won't have to buy me a new dress. But you have to put the headgear on and you have to put on a set of gloves, and I put on a set of gloves and we basically box it out.
Are you serious?
Do I sound like I'm serious? I'm being dead serious. So basically, I gave her an ultimatum. She will need to buy me a new dress if she puts on the headgear and some boxing gloves, and we just go.
And for some as of yet completely incomprehensible reason,